Sum of the amplitudes of the external angles of a polygon. Elementary geometry. Let's remember on how to proceed to calculate the sum of the amplitudes of the external angles of a polygon. It's important to keep in mind a definition of an external angle. What is an external angle of a polygon? An external angle of a polygon is an angle formed by one of its sides and the extension of an adjacent side. Let's look at the case of the triangle. Please pay attention to the following triangle. Beta 1 is an external angle of the triangle A1, A2, A3. Beta 1 is formed from the side A1, A3, the extension of the side A1, A2, and the vertex A1. And what can we say about its amplitude? Remember that the sum of the amplitudes of the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, and that is alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 equals to 180 degrees. Beta 1 is an external angle because the sum of the amplitudes of the angles alpha 1 and beta 1 is equal to 180 degrees. Thus, the amplitude of external angle beta 1 is equal to the sum of the amplitudes of the internal angles alpha 2 and alpha 3. Let us now point out the three external angles beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 of the triangle. What can we conclude about the sum of the amplitudes of the three external angles, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3? The internal angles of the picture 2 are alpha 1, alpha 2, and alpha 3. As we said, the sum of the amplitudes of the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of the amplitudes of the internal, green, and the external, blue, angles of the triangle is equal to 3 times 180 degrees, that is 540 degrees. Thus, the sum of the exterior angles is equal to the difference between 540 degrees and 180 degrees, which is 360 degrees. Let's look now at the case of the pentagon. The sum of the amplitudes of the internal and external angles of a pentagon that have 5 different vertices is equal to 5 times 180 degrees, which is 900 degrees. The sum of the amplitudes of internal angles of a pentagon is equal to 3 times 180 degrees, that is 540 degrees. Thus, the sum of the exterior angles is equal to the difference between 900 degrees and 540 degrees, that is 360 degrees. How do we calculate the sum of the amplitudes of the external angles of any polygon? Let's see. The sum of the amplitudes of the internal and external angles of a polygon with n sides is equal to n times 180 degrees. We have n different vertices. Remember, the sum of the amplitudes of all internal angles of a polygon with n sides is. You can see the video. Sum of the amplitudes of the internal angles of a polygon. Thus, the sum of the amplitudes of the external angles of a polygon with n sides is, successively, conclusion. The sum of the amplitudes of the external angles of a polygon is always equal to 360 degrees. Thank you all very much for watching this video. It was really appreciated.